plastic disposable bottle. This is the bottle most people recognize instantly. It became common in the 1970s when lightweight PET plastic made bottled water cheap to produce and easy to transport. Convenience is what made it spread everywhere, from supermarkets to vending machines and airplane seats. The bottle itself is thin, flexible, and designed for short-term use rather than durability. Even though many people reuse them, they were originally created to be thrown away after a single use. Their popularity also started a larger conversation about plastic waste and recycling around the world. Reusable plastic bottle. Unlike disposable versions, these bottles are made to survive daily use for months or even years. Most are built from stronger plastics like Triton or BPA-free polypropylene. They became especially popular during the fitness boom of the 1990s and early 2000s. When carrying water all day became part of modern health culture. They are lightweight, inexpensive, and often include measurement markings, fliplets, or handles. Schools, gyms, and offices commonly use them because they are practical and easy to carry. Stainless steel bottle. These bottles are known for toughness and temperature control. Stainless steel does not crack easily, and it handles drops much better than glass or thin plastic. Vacuum-insulated versions became widely popular after outdoor brands introduced bottles that could keep drinks cold for an entire day, or coffee hot for hours. Hikers, commuters, and travelers often prefer them because they reduce the need for disposable bottles while also protecting the flavor of the drink inside. The heavier weight is usually accepted as part of the trade-off for durability. Glass water bottle. Glass bottles feel simple and clean, and many people like them because glass does not absorb odors or flavors. Before plastic became dominant, glass was one of the main materials used for beverages everywhere. Modern versions usually include silicone sleeves to protect against breakage and improve grip. They are often associated with home offices, cafes, and health-conscious consumers who want a more natural material. The main weakness is fragility, especially during travel or outdoor use. Collapsible bottle. This type is designed to shrink when empty. Most are made from flexible silicone or soft thermoplastic materials that can fold, roll, or flatten inside a bag. Travelers and hikers helped make these bottles popular because saving space matters when carrying gear all day. Airports and city commuters also adopted them once refill stations became more common. When full, they function almost like a normal bottle, but once emptied, they become compact and easy to store. Sports squeeze bottle. These bottles are built for quick hydration during movement. Cyclists and athletes commonly use them because they allow drinking with one hand while staying active. The soft body can be squeezed to push water through a nozzle without tilting the bottle. Their design became standard in professional sports long before it spread into casual fitness routines. Even today, many marathon runners and team athletes still prefer them over insulated bottles because speed and simplicity matter more than temperature. Smart water bottle. Technology eventually reached water bottles too. Smart bottles can track water intake, glow to remind users to drink, or connect to phone apps through Bluetooth. Some even estimate hydration needs based on activity levels and weather conditions. They appeared as part of the larger wearable tech movement focused on health tracking. While many people still prefer ordinary bottles, smart versions appeal to users who enjoy data and daily health monitoring. The bottle itself becomes less of a container and more of a small connected device. Infuser bottle. These bottles contain a chamber where fruit, herbs, or tea can be placed directly into the water. Lemon slices, mint leaves, cucumber, and berries are especially common. The design became popular as flavored water trends grew and people searched for alternatives to sugary drinks. Instead of adding powders or syrups, the bottle naturally changes the taste through infusion over time. Many users enjoy them because they encourage drinking more water without relying on artificial flavors. Filtered water bottle. This type includes a built-in filter that cleans water while drinking. Some remove chlorine and odors from tap water, while advanced outdoor versions can reduce bacteria or sediments from rivers and streams. Portable filtration became especially important for camping, military use, and international travel where water quality is uncertain. The filter usually sits inside the straw or mouthpiece, turning the bottle into a compact purification system. For many travelers, it provides both convenience and reassurance. Copper water bottle. Copper bottles are deeply connected to traditional practices in parts of South Asia, especially in India. In Ayurvedic traditions, storing water in copper vessels was believed to offer health benefits. Modern copper bottles combine that older cultural practice with contemporary reusable bottle design. They stand out visually because of their metallic shine and handcrafted appearance. Over time, the surface naturally changes color through oxidation, which many owners see as part of the bottle's character rather than a flaw. Aluminum bottle. Aluminum bottles are lighter than stainless steel and became popular for outdoor activities and promotional merchandise. Most contain an inner coating because untreated aluminum can react with certain liquids. They were especially common before vacuum-insulated steel bottles dominated the reusable market. Their lightweight makes them easy to carry, and companies often print logos or designs on them for events and advertising campaigns. While they are less durable than steel, they remain practical for everyday casual use. Vacuum flask bottle. This bottle is built around insulation rather than simple storage. The double-wall vacuum layer slows heat transfer, allowing drinks to stay hot or cold for long periods. The basic technology traces back to the vacuum flask invented by Scottish scientist Sir James Dewar in the late 1800s. Modern versions are everywhere now, from office desks to mountain trails. Some people carry ice water all summer in them, while others rely on them for coffee during long commutes. The bottle became less about carrying water and more about controlling temperature throughout the day. Wide mouth bottle. The defining feature here is the large opening at the top. That simple change makes the bottle easier to clean, easier to fill with ice, and more convenient for mixing drinks or powders. Outdoor brands embraced this style because hikers often refill from streams or water stations where speed matters. Many wide-mouth bottles also accept interchangeable lids, filters, or accessories. The design may seem basic, but it solves practical problems that narrow openings cannot. Children's water bottle. These bottles are designed around safety, durability, and ease of use. Many include soft straws, leak-proof lids, or bite valves that small children can handle comfortably. Bright colors and cartoon designs help encourage regular hydration throughout the school day. Parents often look for bottles that survive drops and rough handling, while also being easy to wash. Over time, these bottles became part of everyday school culture alongside lunchboxes and backpacks. Self-cleaning bottle. Inside these bottles, small UVC lights are used to reduce bacteria and odors. The cleaning system usually activates automatically every few hours or with a button press. This idea grew from the same ultraviolet purification technology used in hospitals and water treatment systems, only miniaturized for personal use. They appeal mostly to travelers, office workers, and people who dislike lingering smells inside reusable bottles. Although they still need occasional washing, the technology helps keep the interior fresher between cleanings.